Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the headlight module guys and the headlight switch, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them. We'll talk by the way about hidden fuse boxes, information you need to know to save you money. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the headlight module, headlight switch, fuses and relays, we'll show you. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video to help you out guys. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscribers told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. Let's go ahead and open the hood. The moment you open the hood guys, facing the engine, that's on the driver's side here. Want to show you, you see you have that turning knob here, you have one like that towards the back. Unscrew them 90 degrees counterclockwise, lift that cover up. Underneath that, right here where the white thing is, you have a fuse box. Okay, you need to remove the cover with Torx 22 screws will be here. Open it and you're going to get to the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here we need to check up to 3 different fuses guys. Let's zoom in a little bit. You wonder where they're located. Now you may have all of them, you may have some depending on which headlight option you have as well, but you need to check fuse number 108. If you have it, check it guys. You need to check fuse number 110 right here, and then you need to check fuse number 128, which is that fuse right here guys. Okay, 128, that's a very important fuse that you need to check as well. Little fuse but important one. It's only 5 fuse. Now guys, if you still have problems with the headlights not working, you check bulbs, connection, modules, everything like that, switches, you may want to check the front SAM module fuses and relays. Front SAM module fuses relays. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel, but it controls the headlights as well. So if you have problems with it, check these fuses as well guys. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.